Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to show you the Magic Home app. With this app, you can control your home accessories from anywhere in the world using an ESP32. First, download the Magic Home app. It's available on both the Play Store and the App Store. Make sure you're using version 0.2.1 or later. Once the app is installed, open it and log in. After logging in, you'll land on the API key setup page. Now let's set up the API key. If you already have an API key, you can either enter it manually or simply scan the QR code. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new key directly from the app. I'll generate one now. Once the key is created, you can find it anytime under Settings, API Key. From there, you can copy it or scan the QR code whenever needed. Alright, the login and API key setup are complete. Now let's move on to the ESP32 controller setup. I've already uploaded a separate hardware setup video. You'll find the link in the description below. You can follow that video and set up your hardware like this. For the firmware setup, I've uploaded the source code to GitHub. The link is also in the description. First, clone the repository ESP32 Magic Home client. I've already cloned the repository here. Next, open Visual Studio Code and make sure the PlatformIO extension is installed before continuing. Then open the ESP32 Magic Home Client project. Alright, now go to the main.cpp file. First, set your Wi-Fi credentials. Next, configure the Auth Token. Open the Magic Home app, go to Settings API Key, and copy your API key. Use this API key as the Auth Token, and make sure to keep it secret. Now set the device ID. If you're using multiple controllers, each device must have a unique ID. I'll use ESP3201. Next, set a device name. I'll use bedroom. You can also add a short description like bedroom automation controller. If needed, adjust the hardware configuration settings, onboard status LED configuration, GPIO pin for the DHT sensor data. Now let's configure the DHT sensor. Use 0 to disable the sensor, or, if you don't have a DHT sensor connected, 11 for DHT11, 22 for DHT22. I'm using a DHT11 sensor, so I'll set it to 11. Next, configure the relays. Each relay uses this structure: pin, name, description, initial state. I'll add 2 relays. The first one, pin 18, name bedroom light, description, bedroom LED lighting. And the second one, pin 19, name bedroom fan, description, bedroom ceiling fan. And that's it. Our firmware configuration is complete. Now let's build the code. Great. Build successful. Next, connect your ESP32 to your computer and upload the firmware. Once the upload is complete, reset the controller. Wait for the onboard blue LED to turn on. That indicates the ESP32 has successfully registered with the Magic Home server and is ready to use. Perfect. The blue LED is now on. Now open the Magic Home app, go to Settings, and tap Sync Connected Devices. You should now see the bedroom controller listed. Boom, there it is. Go to the Controller tab and open it. Now you can control your accessories directly from the app, and you'll also see the climate status on the dashboard. Want to use another phone or another user account? No problem. Just log in on the other device and enter or scan the same API key. Now you can control everything from multiple devices. And that's it for this video. If you need any help, feel free to drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.